commercial cleaning and equipment hygiene business, Wangaratta and Shepparton, Victoria. Offering 2 territories in one sale, Wangaratta and Shepparton, this is a JMac franchise resale. Based on past growth and performance of similar territories, there is genuine potential to double the sales figures here. With an existing customer base, service vehicles, and equipment, this standout package comes with everything you need to hit the ground running. Customers come mainly from healthcare, aged care, education, clubs, food manufacturing, and food service sectors. The business provides commercial kitchen equipment cleaning services with a loyal base of repeat customers. JMac has been delivering professional and accredited commercial equipment hygiene services since 1998 and is a respected name in this industry. You will be fully backed by JMac for system support, training, corporate customer acquisition, and marketing. The current owners have taken on the Albury and Wagga territories and can't keep up with the workload of 4 territories.